So I got a super special treat today. I'm in Mountain View, California, visiting my mother-in-law, and we're going to get to go to the supermarket with her, visit the Chinese market, see the ingredients needed to do homemade pot stickers or wontons or dumplings, whatever you'd like to call them. They're the best you've ever had, and she's going to show you all the ingredients. We're going to show you how to put it together and everything. It's going to be awesome. Here we are at 99 Ranch. We're going to go in and get some ingredients for making some dumplings. There's also 168, which are the two primary Chinese markets. But today we're at 99 Ranch and we'll go in and see what we're going to go through. Like to do a video of the whole place, but security got uncomfortable with me filming and kind of gave me a bit of a hard time. Kind of annoying. So she's let me know not these that are already ground in the plain ground pork, but the Chinese markets, to be fair, some of the few places that you get good different porks to choose from. So what she likes is these special, the ground to the black pork, which she's saying is the best for making the dumplings. Look at how great some of this is. They've got like baby back pork ribs, like those. The loins, they've got the bellies, all sorts of stuff. It's wonderful. It's hard to find in other markets. Goats, lamb shank, leg of lamb, beef marrow, that's very hard to find. Some duck gizzard, swab, really awesome. Look at how great the beef short ribs look. They look awesome. So this is one of the ones she needs for the dumplings. I love going through all the oils and all sorts of sauces and stuff. And look at this, I've got frozen durian right here too. So I saw that's one of my favorites. It's dried tofu that you put in the hot pot and it softens it up. Ends up delicious, just taking the flavor of the hot pot sauce. Now we headed right nearby to Nob Hill Foods. I'm sure to pick up some more items that we need. Alright, so you're all in a special treat. My mom's really good at this and we're at the third place that we're getting stuff to use. So we're going to Sprouts to pick up the turkey meat because she says they have the best turkey meat. I assume you've all been to Sprouts, or I'd give you a tour of the stuff they have here. The one here in California, to be honest, they keep it nicer than the one I've seen in Vegas. I picked up some candy, as you see. I have to tell you, they take very good care of their shop here. This is the Sprouts in Mountain View, California. And I can tell it's not brand new and it's super clean and well maintained. It's pretty cool.
This is what she used for, sometimes she uses shrimp, but at this time she's using dry shrimp. She can soak it a little bit, let it like pump up. I'm gonna show you. This is how much she used, about half bag. You know, you can use more or less, and then she can soak in water. So it looks like this. She used warm water.
So see that? She's just squeezing the liquid from the cabbage that she cut right into the meat to moisten it. But she really uses sesame oil, just in a different bottle. Three different types of soy sauce. Too vinegar?
对，味道的。我头这个一点点就行。
Just a little?
对。
Yeah.
米酒哈，你讲我米酒哈。
And that's sesame oil?
少一点哈。
Yeah, just an olive oil bottle. Ooh, yeah. And you don't want to eat it while it's still raw.
I 用的橄榄油刚才是这个，这就是香油。
Oh, okay, okay. I thought the other one was the olive, sesame oil. I love the smell of sesame oil. Oh, now I can smell all of it. Amazing. Weird how you add this water. I see the precise measurement.
Too high.
Are you kissing it or eating it?
Still hot, but still good. It's really good. It's perfect.
My favorite role is getting to eat. Eat the raw one? Ooh. Your mom makes the best dumplings for sure.